Delta and United Airlines, two names every traveler knows, but which one really delivers? On the left, Delta, famous for reliable comfort and southern charm. On the right, United Airlines, connecting the world with unmatched global reach. Let's skip the buzzwords and get down to real travel experiences. We'll score each category so you can see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Okay, before we start pitting planes against each other, here's the big picture of what we're comparing. First up, route network. Then, reliability and timeliness, cabin experience, fees and flexibility, and finally, loyalty and perks. These are kind of like the secret ingredients behind every airline. And trust me, some pack more flavor than others. Let's kick things off with route network. So, Delta's huge in the US. If you're hopping between cities, especially anywhere in the east or south, they're totally in their element. They've also got a solid grip on Europe. Still, you might notice they've dialed back a bit in Asia, and they do operate fewer major hubs compared to United. Now, United? Okay, here's where it gets wild. They fly to over 370 destinations in like 73 countries. Seriously, almost any continent you can think of, they're there. Plus, their partner network through Star Alliance? It's kind of unbeatable. The catch is, domestic coverage might not always feel as smooth as Delta's. So, for pure global reach, United totally takes the cake. Next, reliability and timeliness. Delta just delivers. Their on-time stats are legendary. About 83.8% of flights actually show up when they're supposed to. And get this, when it comes to cancellations or those annoying, unexpected delays, they score best among big airlines in the country. Of course, if something hits a major hub, Delta can get hit pretty hard. But that's life. Now, United? Not bad, but not quite Delta. Sure, for a worldwide airline, performance is solid. But compared to Delta, there's just more chance of you tapping your foot at the gate while updates roll in. For this one, Delta is absolutely the winner. All right, cabin experience. This is where it gets personal, right? Delta's been super consistent lately. Their product, whether you go basic or splurge for Delta One or Comfort Plus, is actually really good. Comfort's kind of a given. The only snag is their top cabins aren't on every single route. Now, United's Polaris business class? That's really slick, especially if you're heading overseas. They're also revamping cabins as we speak, which is cool. But here's the thing. How nice your seat feels can swing depending on which United plane you get. So, for sheer reliability and comfort, Delta edges this one out. Oh, and here's something cool. United's Star Alliance actually covers nearly 160 countries. Seriously, that's the biggest airline network on the planet. Wild, right? Moving on. Fees and flexibility. Delta. I kind of love that they're more chill with fare rules, especially if you end up in basic economy, you aren't as trapped. You won't stumble into as many surprise fees, and that's always nice. Sure, they'll still charge for bags and stuff, but nothing outlandish. United's fares for international trips are usually competitive, so yeah, that's a plus. But when you look at basic economy, it's just tighter. You're stuck with more restrictions. Delta comes out ahead here. And finally, loyalty and perks. If you're chasing upgrades or perks in the US, SkyMiles from Delta can get you more bang for your buck, especially for domestic trips. Their lounge situation is solid in their hubs too. On the flip side, United's MileagePlus is huge globally, thanks to Star Alliance. And honestly, their Polaris lounges are next level for premium flyers. The one weird thing? Redemption rates bounce all over the place. So, for loyalty, it's pretty neck and neck. Can't pick a clear winner here. If you're looking at the numbers, United just swamps the world with sheer reach, while Delta pulls ahead whenever reliability or comfort matters. On perks, it's nearly a tie, but Delta's flexibility with fares feels a little easier on your wallet. So, quick gut check. If your life depends on getting there on time, and you want to just relax, Delta is hands down your pick, especially in the US. But if you're craving far-flung destinations, quirky routes, or want to leverage a massive partner network for rewards, United is probably your move. If this helped you compare Delta and United, stick around for more travel tips and honest airline deep dives. Let's make your next flight actually